Any chance po na baka magka-result din ako kasi di po ako techie and average learner lang po. Okay, many of my students, they started with zero, with nothing. Do not assume na ang magiging successful dito ay yung experience na. That is not true. May a little advantage sila, but remember, when you were 5, 6 years old, you don't even know how to tie your shoes. Hindi mo nga alam magsintas ng sapatos. Tama? Do you guys agree? Right? Sino dyan may mga anak? You don't even know how to tie your shoes. Ngayon, kahit nakapikit ka, kaya mo magsintas ng sapatos. These are learnable skills. Wala pong ipinanganak na marunong ng online business, ng online marketing. Besides, what we do is not really sort of an internet marketing. This is really an online business. Internet marketing is just part of it. But it's not really sort of ang tawag natin, infopreneur, information publishing business. Yan yung parang should we say, generic term, information publishing business, because that's what we do. Sabi mo, average learner lang? Oh man, I'm an average learner too. Ilang years po ang college, ang engineering, sa mga nakakalam dyan, ilang years ang engineering? If you're gonna take a degree ng engineering, ilang taon niyo po? 5 years. I took it more than 6 years, like 6.5 years. I'm not smart at all. Okay, so do not, guys, feel that you need to be an expert, you need to be techie, you need to be smart to succeed in this business. No, I'm assuring you right now. Alisin mo sa isip na yon, because again, 80% psychology. Nanood ka ng video, hindi mo agad naintindihan. Tapos sabihin mo sa sarili mo, ikaw talaga ang hina talaga ng kokote mo. Ikaw talaga napaka. It's a self-confession. It's a self-talk. That is the thing. If you saw me when I was younger, you probably won't imagine I will be doing what I'm doing right now. You can change, my friend. One of the most misconception out there is your brain is whatever binigay sa'yo ng Diyos, that's it. No, it's like a muscle. You work out, it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. It gets stronger, stronger and stronger. You get better, better, better. You work it out. But first, you have to accept the fact that it can go bigger. You can be smarter. You don't need to be smart on everything. Ako po, hanggang ngayon, I don't think I'm good at mathematics. But you don't need to be good at everything. You just have to be good at this thing, and this will change your life. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.